In this video, you'll learn how to book a flight on Expedia for a minor. We'll go through the process step by step, and I'll point out a few important details to watch for so everything goes smoothly when it's time to travel. First, open the Expedia website or app and navigate to the flights section. This is usually right on the homepage near the top. Make sure you're in the regular flight search area and not in a package or hotel bundle, since we're just focusing on booking airfare for a child. Next, enter the departure and destination cities. Type in the city or airport where the trip will start, and then the city or airport where the child will be flying to. Take a moment to double check spelling and that you've chosen the correct airport, especially in cities with more than one option. This can save a lot of confusion later on. Now, add the travel dates, select the departure date, and if it's a round trip, choose the return date as well. Be careful here, make sure the dates match the actual plan, especially if you're coordinating with school schedules, activities, or pickup arrangements at the destination. It's a good idea to confirm time zones too, since arrival times can be affected by them. After setting the dates, you'll need to adjust the passenger details. Expedia will usually default to one adult passenger, so look for the passenger selector, often labeled something like travelers or passengers. Open that menu, then reduce the number of adults if needed, and set the passenger type to child or infant, depending on the age of the traveler. Different airlines define ages slightly differently, but generally infants are under 2 years old and children are older than that, but still under adult age. Make sure the age category you choose matches the child's age on the travel dates, not just their current age. Once the cities, dates, and passenger type are set, go ahead and start the search. Expedia will show a list of available flights. Here you can compare options based on departure time, number of stops, total travel time, and price. When booking for a minor, it's often helpful to look for flights with fewer connections, reasonable layover times, and arrival times that work well for whoever is meeting the child. Take your time to review the details, then select the flight that fits best. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the minor's details. This is very important. Enter the child's full name, date of birth, and any other required information exactly as it appears on their identification. That could be a passport, birth certificate, or other government-issued ID, depending on the route and airline. Any mismatch between the ticket and the ID can cause delays at check-in or even prevent boarding, so double-check every letter and date before continuing. After that, move on to the payment section. Enter your payment details and billing information as requested. Before you finalize, review the full booking summary. Confirm the flight times, dates, airports, and passenger information. When everything looks correct, complete the payment and wait for the confirmation page. Expedia will also send a confirmation email with the itinerary and booking reference. Keep this handy for check-in and any future changes. Finally, if the child will be traveling alone, make sure you check the airline's unaccompanied minor policy. Each airline has its own rules, age limits, fees, and procedures for children flying without an adult. You may need to contact the airline directly to register the child as an unaccompanied minor, arrange who will drop them off and who will pick them up, and provide contact information. Reviewing this policy well before the flight helps avoid surprises at the airport and ensures the child is properly looked after throughout the journey. And that's how you book a flight on Expedia for a minor, from starting the search to confirming the booking and checking the airline's requirements.